mean, it's a lot of fun. And you're right, one of the best years ever, if not the best year ever in terms of both athletic performance and academic performance. You were here, so you saw the number of people that we awarded tonight, and I talked about our winning percentage, and winning does matter here. This is what we do, and we're about a 57% winning efficiency in sports that keep a win-loss record. So that is our best ever in our Division I era, 12-year Division I era, and fourth best ever. So very proud of that. And then we also were first, of course, in several areas in academics in the Summit League. The MAP Center, they're outstanding. So all of our student athletes are assigned academic advisors who, they don't hold their hand. They certainly don't do the work for them, but they get the advising they need to make sure they're taking the right classes to stay on progress towards degree requirements. They get encouraged to go see the tutors if they're getting a C and would like a B or a B and an A. They get that encouragement they need to go find tutoring and the resources available to all students at IPFW. So, and of course our coaching staff. I think our coaching staff, it can be very intrusive, not just about their work ethic and their respective sport and practice, but what they're doing away from their sport, academically and community service as well. Why? Well, one, they're outstanding individuals, and I think they see that they get it back. When you're a student athlete, it's fun when you have fans from the community around campus there, but I think that they feel the sense of accomplishment. And when you give of yourself, it makes you feel pretty good.
I mean, it's hard to put into words, what my time here has meant. It's been a long, hard, but really fun and rewarding 4 years. And I just can't thank my teammates and coaches enough for giving me the opportunities that they have. And, I'm just really going to miss it here. That's tough. I don't know. I'm just really thankful to be here. Like I said, I don't think you get individual awards without having a team who's willing to, in my case, pass me the ball a lot and let me shoot. So I don't know. I think from a young age, my parents kind of instilled that work ethic in me. And I'm a perfectionist on top of that. I don't like not being my best at everything I do. Like I said, part of that's me, and a lot of that's my parents just, what I consider raising me, the correct way. So I love my parents to death, and I really thank them for a lot of my success. I'm looking to do a graduate assistant position somewhere, more than likely. I'm not sure where. I'm, sending a bunch of emails out and stuff, and I don't know. We'll just see where life takes me.